Okay.
Hello.
Hi.
What do you think of her?
Nice.
Nice?
Beautiful.
Yeah, beautiful.
Yeah, she's cool.
Totally. Huh? Okay, I do have a question. If you want to see her picture more, what would you do? I think you check her name and type it and Google search and see a lot of pictures on the internet. When I was kid, I couldn't see this picture because of internet filtering system. So I'm going to talk about internet filtering. I think we need internet filtering because do you want your kids see this kind of pictures? I think this is fine. I think if my son watching this kind of picture, I would say, oh, my kid is growing up well. But how about drugs, violence, or sexual dating website? We should internet filter for kids. Internet filter works like this. The website that contain hazard information is blocked. For instance, hazard information is for kids.
Hazardous.
Hazardous information is like sexual contents, drug, cigarette, alcohol, and dating site. Those information might be very dangerous or might very big impact on kids. So the website that contain all kind of information are blocked. But I do have a question. If the website contain a little small amount of those information, all websites blocked. For instance, there is one website about art history. That is about art history, but there is one small picture bottom that is naked girl's picture. It is blocked by internet filtering. So the question is, should we block all websites that contain small amount of hazardous information? How about this website? It has over 15 million articles. The study said it is as accurate as Encyclopedia Britannica. It is very famous, but I don't know.
Britannica.
Yeah, Britannica. There are a lot of kind of articles, but this website is blocked because this website has a lot of articles that contain hazardous information. Some people would say, let's block the website or article in Wikipedia that contain hazardous information. We can see some articles, but we can't see other ones. But don't you think that's a very similar thing to something? I mean, don't you think it is very similar to something? Answer this. China. This is exactly the same what China does. Chinese government control internet and monitor some information from Chinese people. Say, the Chinese Google, Tiananmen, I can't remember, Tiananmen Square protest, but no website about it is displayed in the computer in China. Chinese people can use internet, but there are many kinds of internet they can see. That leads to violence of right to know, or they can't access any information. Internet should be free or should be open, every people. So I would say it is internet Chinization. I would change topics. Have you seen those kind of advertisement? This is one kind of advertising system and called a contextual advertising. It scans text of website for keyword and return advertising based on what you are viewing. And the same idea is used by internet search engines. In other words, the very similar information what you are viewing is gathered automatically by these websites and showed your search result. Some people think it's a very good idea because the information we interested in gathered automatically. We can access very easily. Do you agree? I don't agree. When I was a kid, I learned atomic bombs. The U.S. dropped on Japan.
On Japan.
On Japan. I googled opinion about atomic bomb and I jumped the U.S. website. The website said many Americans said the American army drops them to stop war. They did for Japanese or Japan. I was really shocked about those opinions, but I can say I saw other view or other opinion. So let's think of what if such results are only Japanese side opinion because I'm Japanese. And I use Japanese Google Japan. And Google Japan gather information, only Japanese information. The point is, the internet is a tool. We can access all the information all over the world and show other points of view. Internet is really great teacher for me. I think the problem is, the problem is we don't actually see what gets edited out by filtering. In conclusion, what we really need to do is making sure what gets through our filter. And let's prevent channelization. Thank you.